We're going to discuss the main menu of Talyvel 6. The top area shows you the version number. This is always useful to quote if you're asking any questions about measurements. The top left hand side is the home. This will always take you back to this page. Below that is global settings, where you can set the language of the text on the screen, the default position of the results, and noise indicators when taking a measurement, which can be useful on the shop floor. And the last one is the range of the gauge, whether it is a standard gauge range or a wide range gauge. The help option takes you into a PDF manual, which you can scroll through to see various sections. You can search via a search box, or you can print the PDF file itself. On the right hand side is a battery indicator telling you the charge of the battery, and a local 0. So if you want your first measurement to be a reference 0, you can set that to 0, and every other measurement will be referenced to that. If you want to deselect that, you press that again. The convention of the Talyvel 6 is this direction positive and this direction negative. To take a measurement is simple. We press measure, and that measurement will be taken and displayed as the first one and its value. Pressing again will get a second, a third, a fourth. If there's a mistake, if there's noise made or the gauge is vibrated, you can delete the last measurement, or you can delete all measurements. This will then take you back to the beginning. If we have a series of measurements, the last thing you'll want to do is to save them in a file. You give that a file name, and that will be saved as a CSV file. The last option is the settings menu. It's warning us that we may change the configuration, and in here we have various configurations which we'll discuss later. The EOA is a separate software package, which is the electro-optics applications, which can be used for straightness measurement, flatness measurements, and various other combinations of. To leave the program, we press exit at the bottom.